Magandang umaga mga boss. Ngayon mag-replace tayo ng motherboard ng ACER Aspire 1.
Better ingredients, better pizza means that every bite of this slice just keeps getting better. From the first bite to the dunk. And just when you're thinking this slice can't get any better, you get to that epic stuffed crust that's hand-stuffed with
at ito yung sira. So, try natin muna.
What a finish, what a game. You know, a lot of people assume Mike Green was wrong with that voice.
Just like they assume they can't afford great insurance.
He tricking everybody.
Hey, Jack, I sound a little nasally to you tonight?
Not at all.
I don't know. Sounded nasally to me.
The surprisingly great rates to fit any budget, like a good neighbor. State Farm is there. All it click to get a quote today.
Great, everyone. Kyle wrote there's literally nothing to do but play games in VR. Well, Kyle, how about experiencing a couple of years on the ISS? Oh, you guys
Try natin boss kung gagana ba yung bagong motherboard. Po natin. Yan, gumagana naman. Okay siya. Papatuloy natin yung pag-replace.
This NBA playoff time. So you know what that means, Mike. You keep making up fake stats.
63% of the time, yes, 44%.
Sheila, keep thinking you're at the game.
Defense!
Uncle Rob, you keep living in the past.
You sure like we shorter back then? A lot of thought.
Me, I'm gonna keep loving these great offers from DraftKings and this dip.
Bet just $5 to get $150 instantly. DraftKings, official sports betting partner of the NBA. Oh, he got that good wiggle.
New Clorox Disinfecting Mist. Aerosol-free and kills 99.9% of germs on hundreds of surfaces.
Who would you call a jerk? Behind the ear.
New Axe Body Wash. Made with 100% natural origin scent. So you smell 100. Smell as fresh as nature gets.
I need 2 bacon on bacon quarter-pound double cheeseburgers. Coming right up. Can someone grab more bacon? We're gonna need more of that tangy smoke sauce.
Order up.
Sonic bacon on bacon quarter-pound double cheeseburger.
Go to NBAstore.com and get today's special offer. Shop now.
The Memphis Grizzlies are waiting on the winner of this game in the first round of the playoffs. This is the play-in.
I'll tell you what, they might be waiting for the winner, but they gonna be sitting up their feet up drinking tea.
Anthony Edwards just can't keep a good Georgia Bulldog down, can you?
Yeah, the coach can.
Anthony Edwards had 15 in the first half. So did D'Angelo Russell, and it's a 53-51 Minnesota lead over the Clippers. American Express halftime reported in Studio J, Ernie Johnson, Shaq, Kenny, Chuck, and what would you say the chances would be of Minnesota leading this game at the half when Karl Anthony Towns is 0 for 7 from the field for the first time in a first half in his career? Here are the American Express teammates. Anthony Edwards with the 15, as we showed you. D'Angelo Russell with 15, 14 of those in the second quarter when he went 5 for 5. And Karl Anthony Towns, 2 points, 0 for 7, and 4 fouls. Shaq, you've been watching the performance in the first 24 minutes of Karl Anthony Towns, and you sum it up for me.
Sometimes before the game, you just have to shut up. You gotta shut up. Playoffs, play-ins, you gotta show up, and he hasn't shown up. You know, you can't say, oh, we played our best. If we overpower the team, we could beat anybody. First of all, you're not gonna overpower anybody at the top of the key. You're 7 foot, and this is why people call you soft. Carl, I love you, you're from Jersey, but hey, you gotta get your big ass inside and dominate inside. You can't say what you're gonna do and then go for over. I've done it before, talked a lot of trash, went over for whatever, and then, you know, I came home and started saying, hey man, just shut up. Put up a shutout. He should be thanking his two teammates that got 30 points. Say, hey man, thank you very much. I'm sorry. I'm gonna dominate a little more. So it's I mean, it's a miracle that he's playing bad, he's playing terrible, but sometimes, you know, superstars, you just gotta be quiet and just let the game come to you. He's definitely trying to get his points, but again, people call it himself because he's posting up at the top of the kick. Every time you get the ball, they're gonna double. You should go down low. When they double, kick it out to somebody for an open shot. But you can't talk all that smack and then go 0 for 7.
And Chris Finch rolled the dice. I mean, he
rolled the dice. He was rolling damn snake eyes.
Yeah, he sure did.
I mean, first of all, if they lose this game, it's his fault.
Because Cat's out there with 3 fouls and picks up his 4.
And Anthony Evans.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm like, Coach, what you doing? That's just awful coaching. And like I say, they might get away with it tonight, but they're not going to beat no elite team with stupid coaching like that. You don't let your 2 best players get 3 and 4 fouls in the first half of a game. That's just stupid. But the Shaq point, man, watching Carl Anthony Towns play, just because he shoot threes, like he's posting up at the 3-point line on the wing. He's not, because it doesn't do him any good to post up the double. He's taking himself out the game. Then he's doing stupid stuff on the foul. It's just so frustrating watching that play. You know, these guys talk about guys like myself and Shaq. We're a dinosaur. Dude, you post up, you get layups, you get the other team in foul trouble, you make your other teammates better, you get guys like Kenny wide open threes. Yeah, but man, come on, man, this was so bad.
He's a 25 and 10 guy. 25 and 10 guy who has 2 points and 1 rebound.
I see why Jimmy Butler was going off.
All right, okay.
Come on, Jimmy Butler.
Jeff, the floor is yours.
Fly Jimmy Butler in for the next game.
The one thing that they're talking about, you're talking about the 3 and 4 fouls. Yeah, and some of them, you always say trust your players and their instincts and can they do things. And then also, playoffs is about coaching experience. So as I go to the board, there's a couple of plays that you're saying trust your. At this point, I think Shaq and Charles, you've all said to your coach, I got it. And Coach Billy C would say, no. Phil Jackson's like, no, come sit here. Sit here with me. I'm not going to trust you. Because you have too much activity going on in these type of games that you're demanded to make plays. So when the ball comes into the paint, you're demanded to get there and demanded to get this offensive rebound. Now you get your 4th foul because there's too much action with too much time left in the game. When it's only at this point a 6-point game, it's a manageable game. And they actually play better. They showed they can play better without him or play just as good without him. Again, if you're guarding Paul George and you got 2 fouls, then there's too much action. The action is going to him. And now, there's 2 hands on the ball right there. That could be a foul right there. And now Paul George recognizes it. You can't trust your players. You have to trust your instincts as a coach and say, no, here are my rules. You know, we just came back from the NCAA, and there were coaches that sat players for 18 minutes, like 17 minutes in the first half, saying, no, I can't play my guy once he gets 2 fouls. I'm not going to allow him to get, especially with Paul George. No, you can't.
And he's the only one playing, and he's playing great, too.
You cannot, you do it when you, and he's guarding Paul. I'm like, no way, it's not going to happen. We're going to get his foul. We're in the back laughing.
Scratching my nose, scratching my head.
Paul George, 9 points, just 2 of 10. Norman Powell has been the guy for the Clippers. He's got 14 on 4 or 5.
The last day of vacation is still a vacation. With guaranteed 4 p.m. checkout at fine hotels and resorts properties. One of the many reasons you're with Amex Platinum.
Introducing the new Whopper Melts, inspired by the Flame Grilled Classic, but with cheese, more cheese, caramelized onions, and toasted buns. It's a Whopper worthy. You decide.
Try the new Whopper Melton Classic Spicier Bacon, now open late.
With so many fresh flavors delivered to your door, you won't be able to choose a favorite. Well, maybe you will.
Ever notice how obvious product placement is?
Huh. I guess I hadn't really noticed.
Lights, energy. Playoffs! Yes, let's get it!
Here, every game counts.
Every bucket counts.
Every second counts.
Yes.
I love this game.
It's NBA playoff time. I woke up next to a dead man. That's bad, just on a personal level. That could, it could happen to anyone. Please do not do anything stupid.
What is that? She knows more than she's saying.
Thank you for your attention, and welcome aboard. The flight attendant season finale starts Sunday at 10, presented by CBS Front Row, and don't miss a new season, coming soon to HBO Max.
Welcome everybody to the big podcast with Shaq. My fellas are here with me.
I don't like Shaq. I didn't want him on the podcast.
As a mom, you can't spend money like Shaq's mom can.
You said you were the greatest defender to ever play the game.
That's what you're supposed to say. If you don't believe that about yourself, who believes in that?
The first woman to grace the cover of 2K22. I hope that I'm the first, but I'm not the last.
Download new episode of the Big Podcast Weekly.
This copyrighted broadcast of the National Basketball Association may not be retransmitted, reproduced, rebroadcast, or otherwise distributed or used in any form without the express written consent of the NBA. Cavs and Nets play in earlier tonight on TNT. Kyrie Irving a 20-point first half in which he hit everybody. Took 9 for 9.
That was a hell of a game.
They were up 14.
How did I do on my bet, Ernie?
One day delivery. Realize she's actually hilarious once you get to know her. Ugh, that's it.
Gillette introduces the all-new Gillette Labs with exfoliating bar, a razor designed to give you a quick and easy shave. It combines shaving and gentle exfoliation into one efficient stroke. The bar and the handle removes unseen dirt and debris that gets in the way of the blades, giving you a shave as quick and easy as washing your face, so you can look like you put in an effort, effortlessly. Gillette, the best a man can get.
Tell me you don't feel like cooking without telling me you don't feel like cooking. 2 pizzas, breadsticks, and wings all in one box. The big dinner box only from Pizza Hut.
No one has Pizza Hut.
Wala ba te? Kambyo eh?
Is that
Steph Curry. Susan.
D'Angelo Russell had a 14-point second quarter. Minnesota's Timberwolves turnovers. And it, and Allie. You know that Beverly had the 4-year stint with the Clippers, and he and Zubac were very close when they were in LA together.
He did. And when he requested the trade, Minnesota was one of the teams that he informed the front office that he wanted to go to. He felt like that his contract offer for the Clippers was borderline disrespectful, and that was his own quote. So he was very happy when he landed here, and he certainly brought a level of toughness and intensity that this team desperately needed.
Well, like we said back in the first quarter, here's Beverly, who played for Finch in Houston. At 3 no good. Jackson has it. He's out there with Morris and George and Zubac and Batum, the Clipper 5. All they got him in a straight jacket. Down he goes. Great defense, jump ball. Zubac just pushed his buddy away. And he's kind of trying to help up Jackson.
These two are so close. Now don't fall for it.
No, don't.
Coach Lou is trying to say that Patrick Beverly is one of those guys that he's going to do something to try to get underneath your skin.
Oh, Pat Beverly played at Arkansas. He was a Southeastern Conference Freshman of the Year, second-round pick, but went overseas and played for a handful of years, came back to the NBA, made it with Houston, and during his time with the Rockets, Finch was an assistant coach. And now we got Beverly and Morris going at it. And a technical foul on both Beverly and Morris.
Wait a minute, he called a double technical initially. He called a double technical initially.
That's what I said.
And then he recognized that Marcus Morris already had a technical foul, and he's trying to take it back to the official Ed Malloy. And it's going to be hard because he motioned double technical foul in here. He just can't give Patrick Beverly a technical foul because both of them were doing the same thing. Here's the problem.
During the free throw.
He motioned double technical foul on both of them. He saw that it was Morris and knew that he already had one technical. And doesn't want to send him in a playoff play-in situation to the shower.
Did I just say Patrick Beverly was going to do something to get underneath your skin? I just said it. And what they're going to do, because it looked like Patrick Beverly started it right there. So they might just give Patrick Beverly the technical foul because he started it. Because Morris is not
Technical
doing
foul has been
anything.
called on Patrick Beverly for holding during the jump ball. Slapping down on Morris's arm during the dead ball.
So they just give it to Patrick Beverly and not Morris. But Ed Malloy said double technical for both of them initially.
George is at the free throw line. Morris and Beverly once again paired on that circle, as you can see. So here's the jump ball. And it's between D'Angelo Russell and Reggie Jackson, and off of Minnesota. Clippers will inbound. Going on here in the first minute of the third quarter.
Love it. Love it. Intensity has ramped up.
Better down for the Wolves. That's Russell, and that's a three by George. Zubac cleans it inside. Back to George. Got by Russell. And begins to maneuver. And kicks it out. Morris three. Rebound by Vanderbilt. He does indeed. He averages 8. Oh, crossover. Russell drives on Zubac. And he can't get it to go. Averting defenders, but could not watch. Chip drop, Morris corner, Jackson triple. Off the Towns, off of Minnesota. So Joe Borgia is in the officiating center. And Joe, you saw what happened. Walk us through your take.
Yeah, Kevin, so what you have is you have a little altercation between the two players, and the officials are allowed to review that. And during a review...
York, Ty Lue, and the Clippers. You got to start putting the pedal, gas on the pedal here.
Anthony Edwards. With Russell and Edwards. Shot clock at 4. He'll smash his way down low. Shot clock at 1. Dancing, driving, kicking. Wow! Just in time, they will look at it. But a 3, Beverly with 8. What a shot. George muscling his way for the deuce.
And they're going right at Karl Anthony Towns in those 4 fouls, right? And all he can do is retreat with his hands up.
Angelo Russell, a 7th-year player out of Ohio State, played there a year. Top freshman in the country. 15-footer over George. He is 1 point in the first. 1 point for Russell. Now he is up to 18. George and Jackson. Reggie Jackson so far, 4 of 8.
All George, 3 of 13.
3 of 13. And Karl Anthony Towns is 0 of 7. Some surprising numbers. Jackson. And it's Beverly with the rebound. Looking for a sliver, and then he has to go back on top, and Edwards has it. It's a three by Edwards. Retreat inside by Towns, and he's fouled. Zubats.
This is the best thing that could have happened in Carl Anthony Towns here. Still hasn't scored a field goal. Maybe he can find the rhythm at the free throw line, right? See the ball go through, get a little bit of mucked up here a little bit.
Dili na kain. Kaya daw ka, kaya ba't lumang daw ka?
Houston, when Jimmy Butler was on this Timberwolves team, his performance in the postseason, that's what he did in the regular season.
Kind of heard Charles at halftime talking about Jimmy Butler when his time was here, and he'd be calling out Carl Anthony Towns and Wiggins, and they both played a little too soft for him.
It's Zubats, the former Laker, now Clipper, into Towns. Old school.
But they're going right at him because they know he can't be aggressive defensively with those 4 fouls.
Smart by Coach Lou. Boy, Russell's got great count. Standing on that shot, Batum will collect the ball. Here come the Clippers the other way. 11 consecutive winning seasons for them.
Ba't ka? Ayaw, lang ko. Dong. Tugot ka daw, nakiling ka daw.
Three, George, no. Ball is 3 of 14.
Batlungan mo daw ka daw?
Timberwolves come the other way.
Dong. Batlungan mo daw ka daw, nakiling na ka. Ba't ka?
1 for
Ay.
4 for F. 3 for F.
Sagot ka o? Sagot ka.
5 for F. Ha?
Sagot ka lang.
5 for F. 6 for F. 7 for F. 8 for F. 9 for F. And 10 for F.
Eh.
Ispell lang kung pangalan. And then it's D,
Do dito ka magsimanasantas pa daw. Dito ka magsimanasantas pa. Simanasanta ba?
sa kapalong.
Ikaw ba no? Ha?
Wala ko lula.
Lula.
Bindita mo ko. Hindi ako bindita.
Ano ba?
Mas bahata. Ito no?
Ito na saan ba?
Oh, puso ko.
All right.
Noel.
Okay.
Ito na saan ba ang ganin no?
Dako.
Get pet supplies, hot drinks, snow tools, and a chance to flex, all from your neighborhood. DoorDash.
Ulit ka dong. Dong.
Come speak the Royal Caribbean.
I'm defeated, feel mistreated. I'm so angry, I'm singing a song. Cause I'm paying so much for home internet and that's just wrong.
I've got T-Mobile home internet.
I feel happy. Look how much money I'm saving right now. Wait, really? There's no UGs, no price hikes, one call roll on.
Introducing T-Mobile 5G home internet. Just $50 a month. It's that simple.
Should I play that again? Birthday breakfast in bed. Best roommate ever. This is so weird. I just
Dong, bili na ka dong?
dreamt what? You bringing
Doon mo
breakfast
na
in
ka
bed? That is weird. So what happened? Well, you ended up giving me all your Cinnamon delights because you loved me. Aww. Yeah, that definitely was weird.
Did you wanting something to celebrate with Taco Bell's new $5 Bell Breakfast Box?
Ew. Ew.
Sir, pagtuplok. Magtuplok man ka.
The officials went back to look at that Patrick Beverly 3 in the quarter with the shot clock running down. Indeed, he did not get it off in time. So take those 3 points by Beverly off the board.
Palungan ka rin, no?
It's a 2-point Minnesota lead.
But Reggie, there's no doubt that Beverly has been the most
Sulit yan eh. Sulit yan eh.
Secret.
Got gitu. I will say. Ano yung
Mana nih? Libyo nih? Sure ba? Ah, libyo na. Kailan libyo na?
Huh?
Bilin na ba no, guys? Batlungan mo daw ka?
Kinapad. Ay, bantu matupang. Ada tuk-tukon.
Gane.
Ya anak ko na.
Ano?
Tutoy. Smart kayo naging mo ani ko.
Smart. Ini sa globe. Ha? Ini sa globe?
Ay naging mo ani baki ni green.
Gane no. Ini sa globe. Ini sa globe smart siya.
Bright kaayo.
Bali.
Bright kaayo
Ayun.
Clippers a 1-point lead.
Red bull on.
And it'll take it. Oceans trying to play in the third. Wolves are shooting 42%. Clippers are shooting 42%. Here comes Edwards in mid-flight, adjusting foul. Ball airborne and sailing to the rim.
Kevin, you're talking about Patrick Beverly being that irritant. This is the night of Patrick Beverly. He just has his hand, his face, his chest in the middle of everything. And he picks up fouls, and again, the initial call was that double technical, which was reversed. And this is a typical night for him.
Zubac just picked up his fourth. Edwards at the free throw line. He had 49 last week against San Antonio. As the Timberwolves are in the bonus in the numbers for Pat Beverly, but as is usual with Beverly, the numbers don't tell the story.
And here's the thing with McDaniels coming on the floor here for Vanderbilt. Now if you're going to help on Carl Anthony Towns, as the Clippers have gone small as well, you've got another shooter on the floor in McDaniels. And length.
Norman Powell has come in the game for the first time in the second half. For the 8th seed, LA Clippers who come the other way. Lost 385 total games because of player injuries or COVID. Wide open three for Paul George. He's knocked down 2 in a row from distance. Paul George with 18 and 2 consecutive threes.
Scores, they continue to be aggressive, and that's exactly what Paul George has done throughout this game.
Edwards maneuvering on Morris. Beverly thought 3 did quickly clamp him down. Towns into 2. Carl Anthony Towns, who is over 7 to strike the game, has got 8 points. Jackson 5 of 10 and puts up a 2-point shot. Reggie Jackson.
They are putting catch in every action because he cannot be as aggressive as he wants to be with those 4 fouls.
Ramming his way into the boom. Downs. Yep.
That's 3 terrible mistakes by Carl Anthony Towns on fouls.
5.
And that's 5 fouls. He lowered the shoulder. He's lucky he didn't get an offensive foul right there. And then he just lowers the shoulder and goes right into Morris.
He looked like a bowling ball knocking over pins. He knocked over one, then the other, and he picks up foul number 5. He will quickly exit, and again they go to the bench. And here comes third-year center Naj Reed.
And he's done for a while, right?
Yes, he is.
I mean, there's
3:47 to play in the third.
And he's going to be lost for the first, 3 to 5 minutes of the fourth.
He's their only all-star. Fighting is George. Right into the defense of Jaden McDaniels, as Reggie told you, he just checked in. That's a Wolves foul, and it goes on the second-year player McDaniels, who picks up number 3.
I think the fans are like, what's the difference?
Yeah.
Cat just did at the other end and called George.
Okay na. Okay na.
Tingnan ko nga. Sabi na ako, kibutan na ni mo kay Kisandig la.
Video ganino, kaya magkuhanan no, mag-vlog.
Atay. Abot tayo sa vlog.
Kasi ko bantay. Yan, nag-loading na.
Point totals for tonight's game here in downtown Minneapolis. At the start of the game, 2:31, and right now we're at 2:18. They're in defense, right? It's a playoff-like game, although this is a victory. It's officially unto itself a play-in tournament, and the numbers here have never been recorded in playoff form. So if a player got 50, it would not count in his playoff record.
Or a player goes 0 for 7 in the first half.
It doesn't matter. Beverly aggressively takes it in. With the rejection and the push and the foul for the Clippers. Number 4 on Reggie Jackson. As the Clippers have regained a little bit of control of the game, as they have scored on their last 6 possessions. At the free throw line is Patrick Beverly. Minnesota. He was traded twice, actually, within 9 days this past summer, from the Clippers to Memphis, then from Memphis to Minnesota.
Minnesota, 12 of 18 from the free throw line.